How to make formula for your baby in 3 easy steps. Learning how to prepare baby formula is a key skill for many parents and caregivers because we all want to make sure the little ones can enjoy formula safely. There are 3 basic types of baby formula, and in this video, we'll show you how to make powdered formula. Be sure to wash your hands in your bottle before feeding. Check the use-by date on the container to make sure the formula hasn't expired. If your container is damaged, call the number listed on the back and don't use it. Always follow the instructions on the label. You'll want to use room temperature water. Your container will indicate how much water you'll need based on how much formula you're using. Pour the formula into the bottle using the scoop that comes with your package and a clean knife to level it off. Attach the ring, nipple, and cap and shake well to mix. Before feeding, shake a few drops onto the inside of your wrist. It should feel neutral, neither warm nor cool. You may want to make a batch of formula for the day all at once to save time. Made formula can be stored in a clean container on the top shelf of the fridge for up to 24 hours. To warm the bottle, place it in a bowl of warm water for about 15 minutes. Don't freeze formula or use a microwave to warm a bottle. Any formula left over in the bottle after feeding should be thrown out. This is because harmful bacteria could develop in the leftovers, so it's safer to just throw it away. If you think you might need to use less formula for each feeding, be sure to check with your doctor first. You'll be surprised how fast formula making can become second nature. Thanks for watching this video. For more helpful tips, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us at enfamil.com.